right across the street from my house is the driveway that I plow. He wants me to plow it when I plow mine. And I don't always charge him for that because I take nuisance snow too. You never know when he's going to come up. But it's just a real easy one. He says one pass in and one pass out. Anybody that plows knows that doesn't always work. You gotta make room to push it, put him ahead. And with that wet, heavy snow we had, you can tell that with the plow angled, that crust underneath wants to push me around. Hopefully, just get her cleaned up. Have a fun time filming it. No incidents. And this one there's about 4 inches of snow or so.